One of the most difficult problems that digital businesses have today is global tax compliance. If you're selling a software, streaming service, and oftentimes other types of services as well, and you have a global audience, what that means is you now need to charge local sales tax wherever all of your customers are. Every government around the world wants to be able to monetize on transactions that happen online. So when a consumer from Canada purchases the Wall Street Journal, a Canadian customer paying for that US-based business's product or service is going to now have to pay taxes on that. And fundamentally, the Canadian authorities want to make sure that they're getting their respective taxes paid back to them because it's a product that was consumed by a Canadian person. But with digital goods, there are no borders. And so you can easily consume products from all around the world in a digital manner. As a US-based business selling to a Canadian, what I'm now responsible for is making sure that I charge that Canadian consumer the correct tax amount. And now I also have to remit that tax amount to the Canadian authorities. And that's a very difficult process for me because I may be used to US tax authorities, but I have no idea how the Canadian tax authorities work. And I also have customers in the UK. All over the world, countries require you to charge local sales tax to that consumer, and you have to pay the respective authorities that local sales tax. And that sucks for businesses selling online. It's a very difficult thing to manage, and it's also extremely expensive. One of the huge benefits with Reach within our merchant of record model is that we will be able to help you with collecting that local sales tax amount, charging the customer in their local currency, remitting and filing the correct sales tax amounts for your products and your services to those local government agencies to make sure that they get their piece and your customers are paying in a way that makes sense to them. And as a business, you don't have any of that operational overhead. It shouldn't be as difficult as it is. And that's one of the beauties of what Reach can bring to the table.